Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever shopped online and wished you could see what other customers think before making a purchase, you already know how powerful reviews can be. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to add reviews to your Shopify store, so your shoppers can see authentic feedback, build trust, and feel confident about buying your products. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to display customer reviews right on your product pages, just like the biggest e-commerce sites do. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's control center, the place where you make all the magic happen, from adding products to managing orders. If you're new to Shopify, you'll usually find it by going to your store's URL and logging in. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct dashboard where you handle everything for your site. Navigating here is step 1 because it's the starting point for all big changes in Shopify, including installing new apps. Now, let's add those product reviews. Find and click on the Apps section in your Shopify dashboard. The Apps area is where you power up your store with all sorts of add-ons, and reviews are just one of many possibilities. In the search bar, type Product Reviews. You'll see a list of available review apps pop up. But for this tutorial, we're going to focus on Trust Shop product reviews. Apps like Trust Shop are popular because they're easy to use and give you professional-looking reviews right out of the box. Select Trust Shop product reviews from the list. You'll see its details, user ratings, and examples of what it can do. Hit the Install button. Shopify might prompt you to approve the permissions the app needs. Go ahead and confirm. This step is important because installing the app essentially connects it with your store and gives you the tools to create and manage customer reviews. Sometimes installation takes a few seconds, so don't worry if it lingers for a moment or two. Once Trust Shop is installed, we're ready to bring those reviews to life on your storefront. To do that, go to the online store section and click on Themes. Your theme controls your store's look and feel. Choose Customize, which opens up the visual editor. This area might look a little different depending on your theme, but the options are usually laid out in clear panels. Now, it's time to decide where those reviews will actually show up. Usually you want them on your product pages, so shoppers see the feedback right where they're making their buying decisions. Inside the theme customizer, look for the section where products are displayed, often called product pages or similar. Click on the product where you want reviews to appear. You may need to add a review block or widget, depending on the Trust Shop setup. Just follow the prompts and drag it into place. And that's it. You've just enabled product reviews on your Shopify store. Now, when customers view your products, they'll see genuine feedback, which can boost credibility and even increase sales. If you're dealing with a brand new store, don't worry if there aren't reviews yet. Sometimes it takes a bit for shoppers to leave their feedback. But as your sales grow, those reviews will start coming in and your store will look even more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.